Hey you guys, welcome to Hair and Style with April Marie. I am your hair rock star and today we're doing a color application tutorial. So you see I'm using a fine mascara brush. So instead of using a regular tint brush, I decided to try to do it with a mascara brush. And it worked out so amazing. So previously on her sides and a little bit on her front, on her edge, I took out her gray hair with just a regular warm neutral brown, so that, you know, I wouldn't go so dark and it wouldn't be black. I wanted it to be like a softer brown because she's so soft and pretty. I love her look. Also, at her root, I decided to go ahead and do something funky. I took a hot pink to her root, and then right on her ends, I did a beautiful periwinkle blue. And so basically when she's standing in the sun or in really bright light, when I'll show you at the end, make it through the video, it's gonna be awesome. I applied that hot pink to the root and then stroked through those ends with that pretty periwinkle cobaltish tone. And so it gives very nice reflective shine and deep, rich color. It looks fantastic. I absolutely love this color application. So here you can see I'm just going through her curls just to make sure that she has full coverage, because she does have gray. And so I didn't pre-lighten her this visit. I actually just retouched her fantasy color in order to, I don't like to put too much permanent color if I don't have to. So here I'm showing you the back. So she's completely applied. So you see the brown on the sides. And I'm going in and I'm showing you, I just used that fine mascara brush to apply that hot pink, purpley hot pink. And then I'm smoothing it in and applying that pretty periwinkle. So 30 minutes under the dryer. After that, she's rinsed and conditioned. She's not styled yet, but I wanted to kind of show you the color. What you guys think about that? She is so sexy, such a rock star. I love it. Okay, so I'm just moving. So now I'm taking it up close so you can kind of see more of what we did. Oh, yes. Flawless. Oh my God, look at that blue. Oof. Look at that pink. And look at that soft side. Not too dark, too black. Oh my gosh, I love it. So now we just put a little bit of juices and berries. No, I'm just playing. We put a little curling cream in there, and we sponged it to bring out her curl, and she remains flawless. Thank you guys for watching. Go subscribe.